Hi, in this video we will discuss what is an integrated development environment and how to install it. An IDE is like a helpful toolbox. For C++ coding, it makes writing, fixing and testing code much easier. It is like having a smart helper that catches mistakes and speeds up your work. So using an IDE makes coding in C++ a lot smoother and quicker. There are a lot of IDEs you can find for free. Visual Studio, Codeblocks, C Line, NetBeans, Dev C++, Programize Online Compiler. In this course, we will use Dev C++. Dev C++ is great for basic learning. It is simple and has an integrated compiler and is easy to set up. Perfect to quickly start coding, practice basics and work on small projects. To download this, go to your browser, search Dev C++, then go to SourceForge, then press download. Your download will start in 5 seconds. I have already downloaded, so let's start installation. Keep doing next and in the end select your theme. It's done.